Hey beauties, I just got a package in the mail from Jaclyn Cosmetics, so I thought it would be super fun to unbox it with you today. I got the brush here. I believe this is the J03, and then she also did send her Balm loose highlighter. So the first thing that I noticed in the package is this beautiful card that they sent, and it says life has its challenges, but those are the times you learn the most. Even in my darkest moments, I've learned to find the light. Here's to a brighter day ahead. So this is just such a gorgeous picture, and this is just, I love everything about it. So on the other side is the full collection that you can purchase. So she does have the highlighter palette, more brushes, more loose highlighter shades, and all that good stuff. So she has her Mood Light Luminous Powder, the Beaming Light Loose Highlighters, the Accent Light Palette, and then the J01 brush, the J02 brush, and the J03 brush. And they are made of a special synthetic brush hair, which is the latest in synthetic technology. So I'm super excited to try these today. I believe, like I said before, she sent the J03. So let's unbox it and see what this is all about. This is my first time trying Jaclyn Cosmetics, so I've never gotten any packages from her before, and so like I said, it's my first time trying it, but it comes in this beautiful box with silver accenting, and it's just really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and let's see what's inside. So many of you, it's harder to unbox. Well, here it is with one hand than I thought. Okay, so here it is. It comes in a beautiful casing, silver casing, which I've never seen before, so that's really different and nice. Normally I've never seen a box come in a case like that, so I really like that. And then it does also come wrapped in a silver packaging. So let me go ahead and take it out of the wrapping. So it's wrapped really well in the plastic, so it's actually a little hard to get out, but I finally got it out. So here is, wow, it's so beautiful. It almost looks like lucite with sparkles in the brush handle. I've never seen that either, so that's really nice. It almost looks like water inside, so really love that. And then it is again wrapped, so it's double wrapped. You like it? Yeah. Here is the brush. So there it is, J03. Beautiful, beautiful. Love how her name looks, gorgeous. And then here are the brushes. Wow, these actually feel like those animal hair brushes, but it's not, it's synthetic. So wow, this really is the latest technology, because I've never felt anything like this. It's super soft, very firm. It does feel really amazing. Wow. Here it is. And now I will open the loose highlighter. I'm a brush addict, and I have never seen a brush like that before, so that's really amazing. Really amazing. So I'm opening up the loose highlighter now. They did send me the shade Balm, so here it is. And this looks like a gorgeous gold shade. So here it is. I took the wrapping off, and then let's just go ahead and put some into the cap. It's really nice. It is coming out. Sometimes they don't come out easily, but that's just probably a good amount. And then we will swirl the brush in it, like Jaclyn said, and then tap off the excess. Ooh, look at that. Oh my god, wow, that's gorgeous. So let me see here. I'm gonna go ahead and, how can I do this, guys? Let me try and figure out how I could get this on my hand with one hand. So let's, ooh, oh my god, okay, wow. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. It actually feels very creamy, and it's not in the light yet. I'm gonna take you guys in the light, but that was just pretty much one swipe, and that's dry, it's not wet, and I am very pale, so let me, and I'm in the dark, but let me try and get you guys into the light. Oh, there you go. Wow. Oh, it's it's really stunning. It's very unique, dolls. I'm not even joking. It's like multifaceted. It actually looks like champagne. It has so many different layers of shimmer to it, different colors. It's some of the shimmers that you can use or highlighters. They're kind of like what they feel like they're, or they look like they're one tone, but this looks like it's like a multitude of golden highlights, like so many different colors in there. Wow. And that is only one swipe. Super creamy, like they said on the packaging, ultra fine milled. It does feel very soft and very creamy, so it's it's not, you know, I guess like they said, you can build it up or keep it sort of just natural gleaming look, which is really nice. So I just want to try this beauties with my Alegra Chetti Beauty Mist. So I just want to wet it because it was so blinding how it came out without being wet. So I figured I'll just wet it really quick and just see. I'm sure it'll come out even more intense. So I just went ahead and wet it, and I'm just going to apply this to my arm now. So let's see here. Wow. So it's actually getting dark out now, guys, but so I don't have the light, but there it is wet. It's definitely just almost looks more, it just melts into your skin even more when it is wet. Although when it was dry, it really melted into your skin as well, but this kind of just gives it a more, just a wet look and that kind of dewy look. So it's absolutely stunning. So here it is when I applied it wet. So it just gives you almost like a natural glow. You're definitely highlighted, but it's more of a sort of, because of the way it melts into your skin, I feel like it looks a little bit more just effortless and just absolutely stunning, luxurious. So there, I'm sorry guys that my lighting is really bad, but this video is totally unfiltered. I'm shooting this on my iPhone, so I just wanted to give you a true look at how it comes out, although the sun has, you know, it's getting darker now. But there it is, dolls, wet, and it just definitely melts into your skin more and just gives you just a very, I think it looks sexy and gorgeous and touchable, and it's not chalky. It's not dry. It's absolutely stunning, melting into my skin, so I absolutely love it. But I just wanted to come and show you. I just got it in the mail, so I wanted to unbox it with you all. But thank you so much to Jaclyn Hill and Jaclyn Cosmetics to sending this to me. I cannot wait to apply this to my face. It's truly unique and it's truly different. And I'm not just saying that, you know, because you can see here, I mean, well, if you could feel this in your life, I have never felt a brush like this. The size is amazing. I don't have a brush this size. The brush hairs feel phenomenal. They're super thick. They feel velvety. They're super densely packed, so that's crazy. I mean, it just feels incredible. I love the handle. It's like, it definitely does look like it's like sparkles or stars in there or something. It's gorgeous. And then, oh my god, this highlighter is unbelievable. As you can even see just on my finger, it actually looks wet. So it's not chunky at all. It is super fine milled, like they said. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I really, this is probably, you know, this is what you would expect from Jaclyn, because she does say that, you know, she likes to be a perfectionist and she wanted to do something super amazing, and this really is super amazing, and definitely you can see the perfection in these products. So congratulations. I think these are amazing. I would definitely recommend buying these for sure. They're really different, so I don't think this is like I know that this is not like anything I already have, so it's definitely worth purchasing. And you can just head over, I'm not sure if they're sold out, but you can head over to the Jaclyn site, Jaclyn Cosmetics, and you know, maybe sign up for emails, and when they come back you can get one if you'd like. They're phenomenal. So thanks guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Thank you again to Jaclyn Hill. Thank you again to Jaclyn Cosmetics. So I'll see you beauty soon. Bye. Bye.